Hello friends, I am Professor Vidyadhar Shirsagar, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering. Let's start the lecture number 4 on engineering metallurgy. So in this lecture we are going to see the crystallography, study of the different crystal structures. So that basic of the crystal structure we have seen in previous lecture. We have seen four type of crystal structure: simple cubic crystal structure, body centered cubic crystal structure, and face centered cubic crystal structure. And we have seen the basic component of the crystallography like atoms, unit cell, space lattice, and the crystal structures. Now the most important part of the crystallography crystal structure is that to calculate average number of atoms in unit cell. How many atoms occupied inside the unit cell that need to be calculated, and this calculation will be helpful to calculate the atomic packing factor in further topic. So first of all we are going to be see how to calculate average number of atoms in a unit cell, right? So there is a specific formula has been developed for it. Average number of atoms at unit cell can be calculated by NAVG. That NAVG stands for a number of atom per unit cell, NC divided by 8. That NC stands for total number of atoms in unit cell corner. Then NF, that is total number of atom at face, divided by 2, plus NI, that is center or interior atom, divided by 1. So actually how that formula get evolved, just understand how it get evolved. When we seen the structure of atom of a unit cell, that unit structure like a cubical crystal structure, one cube having a 8 number of corners. So 8 number of corners occupy with 8 number of atoms. That's why NC divided by 8 we have been taken over here. Then NF divided by 2, that is number of atom at face. So if we consider the number of atom at the face of a cubical crystal structure, the face atom gets shared by 2 atoms, right? And the corner atom, 1 atom is shared by 8 atoms, right? Now Ni divided by 1, because the interior 1 atom is get shared by the unit cell itself. So this formula get evolved to calculate average number of atoms. Now how to calculate the simple cubic crystal structure, that we will come to know that how it get that formula works. NAVG is equals to NC divided by 8. It stands for the corner atom is shared by the 8 number of unit cells, plus NF divided by 2, the face atom shared by the face 2 unit cells. Ni divided by 1 means interior atom shared by the unit cell, original unit cell itself, right? So as for the simple cubic crystal structure, the 8 number of atoms occupied at each corner of a unit cell, and NC stand for number of atom at unit cell, means 8 divided by 8. Now NF is the number of atom at face, but in simple cubic crystal structure there is no atom at face is present over here. So we take it as a 0. So 0 divided by 2 plus Ni. So center or interior atom is also not present in the simple cubic crystal structure. Hence we take 0 over here. 0 divided by 1 is equals to how many? Average number of atoms occupied inside the simple cubic crystal structure is 1, right? How it get 1? If we can calculate it manually also, we come to know that each corner atom of a unit cell of simple cubic crystal structure, the one corner atom shared by 8 unit cell, and the original unit cell get a share of a 1/4 part of it, right? So at each corner, when we consider as shown in diagram, 1/4 part is come in share of a original unit cell, then the unit cell can form the 1/4 all 8 1/4 part of the atoms combined to form one atom, as shown over here. So that is a manual calculation, but with the help of the formula we can calculate that is a number 1. Now, how the corner atom of a simple cubic crystal structure get shared by 8 number of unit cell as shown over here, right? Then after to calculate average number of atoms in the body centered cubic crystal structure, so same formula we are using over here. NaVg means average number of atoms calculate is equals to Nc means number of atoms at corner divided by 8 unit cell share the corner atom, plus Nf means the number of atom at face divided by 2 means the face atom share by 2 unit cells, Ni in interior atom shared by the unit cell itself. So when we keep the values of the face center body centered cubic crystal structure, where the body centered cubic crystal structure one atom lies inside the unit cell or interior of the unit cell, right? So Ni value is 1. 8 number of atoms occupied at each corner of a unit cell means 8 divided by 8, plus there is no face atom present in this body centered cubic crystal structure means consider 0 equals to 2. Now in next case, in FCC face centered cubic crystal structure, where the 6 number of atoms are occupied at each face of the face centered cubic crystal structure and 8 number of atoms are occupied at each corner of the unit cell. So when we keep all the values, as Nc stands for the number of atoms are occupied at each corner of unit cell divided by one corner atom shared by a number of 8 number of unit cell plus face atom 6 divided by 2 unit cell share a face atom, plus interior atoms are not present over here, so consider 0 divided by 1 interior atom shared by unit cell itself is equals to 4. So maximum number of average number of atoms are comes in share of unit cell of face centered cubic crystal structure is 4. Now in case of hexagonal closed pack crystal structure, in which the formula is different. Why? Because the hexagonal closed pack crystal structure geometry is different. It is different as the cubical crystal structure we have seen previously. It looks a hexagonal pyramid, right? So at each corner of a hexagonal pyramid of a hexagonal crystal structure, that 6 atoms at the top and 6 atoms at the bottom means the 12 number of atoms are occupied at each corner of a hexagonal closed pack crystal structure, and one atoms are occupied at each face means 2 atoms at face and 3 atoms at the center or interior of the crystal structure. So how that formula get evolved? NaVg means the number of average atoms occupied inside unit cell. Nc is number of atoms lies at each corner of hexagonal closed pack crystal structure. Nf means the number of atoms lies at the faces, and Ni means interior or inside atom at hexagonal crystal structure. So Nc divided by 6 means one corner atom of hexagonal crystal structure is shared by shared by the 6 number of unit cell, and NF where divided by 2 means one face atom shared by 2 unit cell, and Ni divided by 1 means the interior or inside atom shared by 1 unit cell itself, right? So the Nc divided by 6 plus Nf divided by 2 plus Ni divided by 1, that formula get evolved. Now put the values of the hexagonal crystal structure. Corner atom 12 divided by 6 plus face atom 2. So put 2 at place of Nf divided by 2. 3 atoms occupied inside or interior of a hexagonal crystal structure. So put Ni in place of 3 divided by 1, and we will get the value is 6. So average number of atoms occupied inside a hexagonal closed packed crystal structure is 6. Now how one corner atom gets shared by the 6 unit cell of hexagonal closed packed crystal structure as shown over here. Oh, thank you very much. In next lecture we will